Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to comment lines of code in case you wanna run some tests or see how your program behaves without that line of codes. So to comment any line of codes here in our ladder program, you have to right click any network. Let's pick the line 28, right click it, and then select toggle network comment state. Then, as you can see, this network will become green, and now this network right here doesn't work anymore. So if you were to run this program and try to interact with this line of code, so let's say for example change this function block's input, then nothing will happen because it's commented. So you can run any tests without this line of code or check how your program behaves. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you on the next one.